Ladies and gentlemen, let me start with a brutal truth. Most people don't plan their day. If you want to control your time like a CEO, you must first understand one truth that Jack Ma learned long before the world ever knew his name. That time is the one thing life gives equally to everyone, but only the brave learn how to master it. And this is the story of how one ordinary young man discovered this truth and rebuilt his entire destiny by adopting the routine that builds winners. He was stuck in a cycle many people silently suffer from. Waking up tired, rushing through the day, reacting to problems instead of leading them, and ending every night with the same painful thought, I wasted another day. One evening, after losing yet another opportunity at work because he wasn't prepared, he sat alone on the rooftop staring at the fading light. His mind was loud, but his life felt empty. That was the night he stumbled upon a video of Jack Ma speaking, saying, "Your time is limited. If you don't manage it, someone else will manage it for you." Those words hit him like thunder. He realized his problem wasn't luck, wasn't talent, wasn't opportunity. It was control. He didn't control his day controlled him. So he made a decision. For the next 30 days, he would live like a CEO, not like a follower, not like someone running from task to task, but like someone who leads his life the way leaders run companies, with clarity, discipline, and urgency. The next morning at 5 a.m., he woke up before the sun for the first time in years. It wasn't easy. His body resisted, his mind complained, but he remembered Jack Ma's rule. If you can't control your morning, you can't control your life. He forced himself out of bed, drank a glass of water, and sat in silence for 10 minutes. That silence was uncomfortable at first, but in that silence, he realized something powerful. Most people lose the day before it even starts because they wake up reacting instead of planning. So he began writing his CEO list. 3 things he must do that day, not 10, not 20, just 3. CEOs don't waste energy on small battles. They focus on the moves that actually shape the future. With every passing day, his routine became sharper. He worked in focused blocks of time, cutting all distractions. His productivity doubled, then tripled. He began noticing something surprising. Controlling his time wasn't about being busy, it was about being intentional. He stopped saying, "I don't have time," and replaced it with, "This is not a priority." And suddenly the truth became clear. He had time all along. He was just giving it away to things that didn't matter. By the second week, people around him noticed the change. He walked differently, spoke differently, and worked with intensity. He was no longer the man drowning in tasks. He was the one directing them. He learned a lesson CEOs live by: schedule your life, or your life will schedule you. He began guarding his evenings, putting his phone away after 9 p.m., journaling what went right, what went wrong, and what he would improve tomorrow. The old version of him who scrolled for hours slowly disappeared. Instead, he slept early, woke early, and built momentum that felt unstoppable. But the real breakthrough came on day 21 when he faced a moment of weakness. He woke up late. He felt like quitting. The old habits were pulling him back. But then he remembered something Jack Ma once said. The difference between winners and losers is not intelligence, it is persistence. So he didn't restart the day with guilt. He restarted with discipline. He made coffee, sat down, rewrote his CEO list, and executed it like a man who refused to let one bad moment destroy a good life. That day he learned the most important lesson of all. Control doesn't mean perfection, it means direction. By day 30, he was a different person. His mindset changed. His confidence returned. His productivity soared. He no longer chased time. Time followed him. His colleagues were shocked at how much he achieved in 1 month. But what truly mattered wasn't the results. It was the identity he had built. He was no longer the man who wished for a better life. He was the man who created it. Just like Jack Ma, he didn't start out smarter, richer, or luckier than anyone else. He simply took control of the hours the world gave him. And the truth is, your life can change the same way. You don't need perfect conditions. You don't need money. You don't need motivation every day. You need one decision, one routine, and one promise to yourself that your time is yours and no one else's. Because when you learn to control your time like a CEO, you don't just change your schedule. You change your habits, your opportunities, your mindset, your confidence, your entire destiny. And if you start today, 1 hour, one morning, one decision can become the beginning. Everyone wants to be unstoppable. Everyone wants to live a life they're proud of. But when you ask them one simple question, how many minutes did you give to your dream today? They go silent. They say, I'm busy. I'm busy doing what? Busy watching someone else chase their dream while theirs gathers dust. Let me share something Jack Ma once said. Don't complain. Use your time wisely. Every day has 24 hours for everyone. And those words, they hold a powerful truth. You don't need 5 hours. You don't need a fancy routine. You don't need motivation that lasts forever. You need one consistent hour every single day. Just imagine 1 hour of pure focus. Not for your boss, not for your friends, not for your family, not for your phone, for you. That 1 hour can become the foundation that rebuilds your entire life. Let me tell you a story. There was a young guy named Amir. Amir worked long shifts, 10 hours a day. He would come home tired, drained, mentally exhausted. His routine was simple: eat, scroll, sleep, repeat. He kept saying, one day I'll start something. One day I'll be successful. But that one day stayed far away because he never gave himself even 1 hour. One night, something changed. He watched an interview of Jack Ma where he said, your future is decided by the time you invest, not the time you waste. Amir paused. He realized he wasn't lacking time. He was lacking choice. So he made a deal with himself. 1 hour every night, no excuses. He picked a skill, graphic design. For 1 hour a day, he watched tutorials, practiced, learned, failed, improved. It wasn't exciting. It wasn't fun. Nobody clapped for him. Nobody believed in him. But he kept showing up. 30 days passed, no results. 60 days, still nothing. 90 days, he made a simple logo for a friend, free of charge. But slowly, something changed. His confidence, his discipline, his identity. 6 months later, he got his first paid client. 1 year later, he was making more from freelancing than his full-time job. 2 years later, he quit. Now people ask him, Amir, what's your secret? And he smiles and says, 1 hour a day, that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the power of consistency. Not intensity and not genius, not luck, consistency. You see, most people don't fail because of lack of talent. They fail because of lack of repetition. Everybody can be motivated once. Everybody can start something, but only a few people show up when nobody's watching. And here's the truth. 1 consistent hour beats 10 distracted hours, because in that 1 hour, your mind sharpens, your focus strengthens, your skills improve, your belief grows. And little by little, you become unstoppable. Let me tell you another story. There was a young woman named Sana. She wanted to learn English fluently, but she always said, I don't have time. Yet she had time for 3 episodes a night. She had time for gossip. She had time for scrolling. One day she asked herself, if I die with the same skills I have today, will I be proud of myself? Her answer was no. So she committed to 1 hour a day practicing English, reading, listening, speaking alone in her room. It felt stupid at first. It felt slow, but she didn't quit. 6 months later, she passed an interview with confidence. 1 year later, she became a trainer, and people call her gifted. She laughs. She says, it's not a gift, it's 1 hour. That's the magic. 1 hour doesn't just build skill, it builds identity. It builds the version of you that you're proud of. But here's the problem. Most people waste their 1 hour every day without realizing it. 1 hour scrolling, 1 hour gossiping, 1 hour watching reels of other people improving their lives. Meanwhile, their own life stays exactly the same. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not time we lack. It's purpose, it's commitment, and it's consistency. Think about it. 1 hour a day means 365 hours of learning, 365 hours of growth, 365 hours of becoming better. That's not a little, that's transformation. Jack Ma says, today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be beautiful. But you will never reach that beautiful day if you don't give yourself one consistent hour. So let me ask you, what will you do with your hour today? Will you waste it, or will you use it to rewrite your destiny? Remember this, success is not created in one day. It is built in 1 hour, repeated 365 times. If you can master 1 hour, you can master your life. You can build your dream. You can become unstoppable. Give yourself that hour. Every day, no excuses, because your future is watching and it's waiting for you to show up. Thank you for listening. And remember, 1 hour can change everything.